Welcome everybody to the first Product Analytics Group Sync of 2024 on January 2nd. The APAC Americas edition. It's a very small crowd for us today. It's Graham and myself. So first off, Happy New Year, everybody, and for those catching the recording. And then Graham, it's just you and I, so a little stand-up, a very cozy
Sweet.
stand-up is in order, but I can go ahead and start.
Okay.
Hoping to work on the data enrichment, proof of concepts, and more, getting other pieces of GitLab platform data into ClickHouse and being able to query that together, and kind of show that off in terms of something we can um, hopefully start focusing on once we're past the GA release. So really wanting to prove that out and see where we go with that. Afterwards, and kind of have some less major topics to look at in terms of like migrating data from AWS, that we have like multiple years of back events dating back to when we first started using Snowplow. So hoping to get that over. So that'll be interesting for data policies, retention policies, performance across multi years, how we want to aggregate all of that to make that better. And then of course, the focus for this quarter, well, next quarter rather, will be on GA. So trying to see what we can do for that in preparation. So it's a little bit of what I'm working on. Graham, what about
Nice.
you?
I am, I think it was like the Friday before break or Thursday. I got together with Elwin and went over what I thought was a really good solution for the bug that I was like looking at. And
Hmm.
no, it's, which I kind of figured it's definitely more out of my wheelhouse and would have required a
Sure.
lot more, I think, code, but it was a lot of fun to tackle.
Hmm.
So I need to figure out, my goal this week is to figure out basically something to fulfill that requirement for the design team to kind of go over
Hmm.
and figure out a low effort but like good quality problem that I can tackle before end of January. And apart from that, I'm
You.
going to be looking at a lot of um, the usage quota within product
Hmm.
analytics.
Yeah.
Sam wanted to review that with me Thursday, so I'm going to try and get kind of look at issues that have been closed and um, stuff around that and get a little bit more familiarized.
Got
Um,
it.
yeah, I think that's about it,
Could you
at
refresh my
least from
memory
what
on
I'm
the problem you're
remembering.
trying to resolve for?
Yeah, so the design team has a goal that everybody touches something within their product area that's like a very low-hanging fruit, kind of like
Mm,
essentially like a paper cut.
yeah.
And so I had two things. My original
Hmm.
plan was to, um, oh my gosh, I can't believe I spent so much time on it, and I'm like, wait, what was it? I'm like, coming
No
back from
worries.
break is rough. Um,
Vacation brain is real for sure.
yeah, for real. But yeah,
Hmm.
we were tasked by the end of January. We need to create an issue and tackle ourselves basically
Hmm.
a small like paper cut within our department
Yeah.
or within our team. And so I had found a couple like minor bugs in
Hmm.
product analytics. The one that
Yeah.
I didn't do, which I don't know why I'm remembering that one and not the one I tried to tackle,
Right.
was the when you're hovering over data on an actual graph or on a chart,
Hmm.
um, in kind of the base version, it snaps to like the nearest
Yeah.
point, and in ours, it floats in between and it changes on the halfway mark between the 2 points. The like
Right.
data in the tooltip changes. And so I
Hmm.
was hoping to figure out a way to snap it to the actual point so it's a little more clear. And I think keyboard navigation would be a little, or it would mirror keyboard navigation. So it would mirror
Right.
that.
Hmm.
Um, the one that Oh, the one that I was trying to tackle was the legend for anything that overfills. Um,
Oh, right.
it
Hmm.
has a fade, and the fade persists even if there is no overflow. And so
Hmm.
that I was trying to eliminate that, but
Gotcha.
it's a
Gotcha.
matter of some JavaScript that I have no experience in. So,
Fair enough. Fair enough.
but
Well,
yeah.
we can definitely um, file that as a UX polish or a UX bug, really,
Mhm.
to improve that. But cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I just wanted to. I also kind of forgotten. I know you were also working on like dashboards as a concept, and then like the how we design stuff.
Yeah.
So I wasn't sure what part of it is related. So cool. Thanks for
Yeah.
that.
I
Awesome.
think it's like an OKR
Mhm,
goal. I think it's
for
just like
sure.
a bigger OKR goal thing.
Nice, nice, cool. Yeah, and then I guess since it's just us two, like yeah, use of quota would be good to see hear your
Hmm.
thoughts on that. And then we've also got that billing MVC that we're looking to engage with, but we have existing patterns with Zora in terms of like purchasing and having enablement. But I'm not sure what the plan is with Sam, and we'll catch up at some point about it. But yeah, seeing how we want to do the whole like purchasing enablement flow will be interesting as well. Um, but yeah, cool. Then apart from that, I have like kind of uh, two announcements, I guess. Well, one announcement and one issue to discuss something. But I'd like to asynchronously welcome Surabhi Simran to the Product Analytics group. She just started on the second. Her second is already concluded. So welcome, Surabhi. If you're
Nice.
willing to share a little bit more about yourself in this agenda, please feel free to, or just pop on over to any of our social channels to just start chatting with people. But yeah, feel free, everyone else, to schedule a coffee chat with her and get to know our third backend engineer for product analytics. So very
Nice.
exciting there. Yep.
Yay, welcome.
Yeah. And lastly, I have opened an issue to discuss the timing for this APAC Americas group sync with Saudi coming on board and coming from India. There's a wide range of time zones going on, and scheduling between the people who have attended and who should attend may get tricky. So I've started opening the issue. I still have to fill in a little bit more data in terms of the current time and some potential solutions. But I just wanted to get that discussion going, really, because it's the new year. So it's a good time to just discuss that and get some housekeeping if we feel like we want to tweak that at all. But if anything, we can figure out perhaps a way to do it more asynchronously. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've had. Show and tell, nothing this week, but hopefully I'll have some more next week. Um, but that's it on my side. Graham, anything you want to call out before we quickly end this one?
No, I think that kind of covers everything on my side too.
Awesome. Cool. Well, go ahead and end the recording, but thanks everyone for catching or that's watching this async. Otherwise, have a good rest of your day.